Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss about how you can create smart lists inside GoHighLevel and how you can manage them and how useful they are. So usually when you want to filter out your contacts, so you set some filters by navigating to the advanced filter options. So, for example, if I want to filter the list based on email is not empty. Okay, so I'm gonna filter out the contacts who don't have any empty emails. So I'm gonna hit apply. And then once I have this here, then I can create a smart list based on these filters. No empty email. Okay, or contact list. With emails. List with email. Okay, I'm gonna create it. Okay, there were some other options as well. We'll check it later on. So what we did is we created this list here, and we can run any campaign for the smart list. I mean, it's really useful. Usually, if you want to send out the reactivation campaigns, then you want to send out to certain contacts that are in specific stages inside a pipeline. So we usually create that list so that we don't have to redo that stuff, and it keeps on updating itself whenever the contact gets moved or the tag is added or whatever filter that we set. It is kind of dynamic, so it's really helpful, but you have to make sure that once you set this up, then you have to make sure that if you have not selected any user right here, because I cannot see any user here because there's no one inside the sub account, then they won't be able to see that. Or I can go with this first option, and I can also change. Currently it's just added, and then I'll just click on share. Then it will be visible to okay, so I cannot select this option right now because there's no one inside the staff. So it usually happens even they're saying this, but sometimes it could I'm definitely sure that this is the issue because there's no one inside the sub account. So that's why it's not even assigned to me as by default. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can share it with all of the user, or you can share it with a selected user. So that's how you do it. And then once you do that, yeah, that's it. You can use it later on. So this is the smart list. You create advanced filters. You create a specific list based on those filters, and then you can use it later on. And also, if you want to delete the list, then you can simply delete it right away. And that's pretty much it. So hope you guys found this video to be helpful. So just if you have any questions, just post your comment, and yeah, I'll keep on posting stuff like this regarding GoHighLevel. Thank you so much.